Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add clickable link on Facebook post. So I'm provide full guide. So simply you just open your Facebook and press on this option. You just select any photo, video, or only set to status and space, and need to copy a link. So simply I'm just open my TikTok profile and I'm select a video, like I'm select this video, three dot, copy this link. I'm just copy this post link and reopen my Facebook, just long press to paste here the copied link. Okay, just paste here and press on to done. So now successfully add to link in this post. Just press on to post. Now it's posting. So that's it.